Mastering winter deliveries with DoorDash and Uber Eats, expert advice. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing the thrilling yet perilous world of delivering for food delivery apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats in snowy conditions. While it can be a lucrative opportunity, it's crucial to navigate the challenges and ensure your safety as a driver. In this video, I'll provide you with valuable tips and tricks for making the most out of delivering for food delivery apps on snowy days. The lucrative side of snowy deliveries. During snowy conditions, people tend to prefer the convenience of ordering food from the comfort of their homes rather than venturing out in the cold. This leads to a surge in demand for food delivery services, increasing the number of potential orders available for drivers. Customers often appreciate the effort made by drivers who brave the snow to deliver their meals. As a result, they are more inclined to tip generously, recognizing the additional challenges faced by drivers during snowy weather. Moreover, some food delivery apps offer special incentives or bonuses during extreme weather conditions, providing an opportunity for drivers to earn extra income. Snowy conditions often lead to disruptions in various industries, including transportation. As a food delivery driver, you have the advantage of being able to work flexible hours and take advantage of the increased demand during these periods. This allows you to earn additional income during times when other job opportunities may be limited. The challenges and risks. Snow and ice on the roads can make driving hazardous, increasing the risk of accidents. Slippery surfaces reduce vehicle traction and make it more difficult to control the car, potentially leading to skidding or loss of control. Address issues such as reduced visibility, icy roads, and potential accidents. Snowfall can significantly reduce visibility, making it harder to see road signs, obstacles, or other vehicles. Additionally, icy roads create a slippery surface that can impede braking and increase stopping distances. These factors combined pose a greater risk of accidents during snowy conditions. It's crucial to understand that no delivery is worth compromising your safety. If road conditions become too dangerous, it's essential to prioritize your well-being and consider pausing deliveries until conditions improve. Always follow local authority guidelines and take necessary precautions. Tips and tricks for safe and successful snowy deliveries. Vehicle preparation. Advise viewers on checking their vehicle's tires, brakes, and fluid levels before heading out. Ensure that your tires have adequate tread depth and consider using winter tires for better traction. Check your brakes to ensure they are in good working order, and top up your vehicle's fluids as necessary. Keep essential supplies like an ice scraper, shovel, and emergency kit in the car. These tools will come in handy if you encounter snow or ice buildup on your vehicle or need to dig yourself out of a slippery situation. Additionally, having an emergency kit with items like blankets, snacks, and a flashlight can provide comfort and safety in case of an unexpected breakdown. Weather monitoring. Regularly check local weather reports or use weather apps to stay informed about upcoming storms, snowfall predictions, and road closures. This information will help you plan your deliveries accordingly and avoid unnecessary risks. Safe driving practices. Reduce your speed when driving in snowy conditions to maintain better control over your vehicle. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead to allow ample time for braking and maneuvering. Instead of sudden and aggressive movements, focus on smooth and gradual braking and steering inputs. This reduces the risk of skidding or losing control of your vehicle. Dress appropriately. Wear appropriate winter clothing, including a warm coat, hat, gloves, and scarf. Layering your clothing allows you to adjust your attire as needed to stay comfortable in fluctuating temperatures. Opt for sturdy winter boots with good traction to reduce the risk of slipping on icy surfaces. This will help you maintain stability when walking to and from delivery locations. Communication with customers. If you anticipate delays or encounter difficulties during your deliveries due to hazardous road conditions, keep your customers informed. Use the in-app messaging feature or contact them directly to provide updates on your estimated arrival time. Utilize the delivery app's built-in communication tools to maintain open lines of communication with customers. Promptly notify them if there are any unexpected delays or changes to their order. Wrapping up, delivering for food delivery apps in the snow can be a rewarding but potentially treacherous experience. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges and ensure both your safety and customer satisfaction. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. If weather conditions worsen or if you feel uncomfortable driving in the snow, it's important to trust your instincts and make the decision that is best for your well-being. Don't hesitate to pause deliveries or seek alternative routes if necessary. Additionally, consider investing in tools or accessories that can enhance your safety during snowy conditions. For example, snow chains can provide better traction in icy areas, while windshield wiper fluid specifically designed for winter use can help keep your windshield clear in snowy or slushy conditions. Lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself throughout your shifts. Make sure to stay hydrated, take breaks when needed, and stretch your legs to avoid fatigue or discomfort. It's essential to prioritize your physical and mental well-being during this challenging work environment. Stay warm, stay safe, and happy delivering. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. As a reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with local authorities and observe traffic laws and regulations while driving in snowy conditions.